I am now. What's up, guys? If you see Jeff, it means his truck's here. The guy, yes, I think you got one verse since I uploaded that video. Don't feel bad. It'll start coming in later, sooner or later.
I'm going to upload it to my account too.
This to your account too? Yeah. You have a page now?
I just related.
By the time I get this video edited, I'm gonna need you to give me your name so I can put it like right here in the screen, up under your face. Anywho, the Jeff truck, he got his aerate system from Spectre. We're gonna be installing it on his 5.7 vortec. He already got the filter, but they got him a brand new filter also. So what we're gonna be doing is what I just told you. So anyway, let's get the breaking shit down and breaking shit together. I need to get my tools set out your truck, my new screwdrivers. Right, Jeff likes to steal shit. Hey Jeff, for those of us that's probably gonna do this, installing off, copying off us, tell them what you're doing right quick.
You said what?
Tell them what you're doing. What are you unplugged so far?
Oh, I ain't unplugged on this, took the air filter off. Gotta take the mask off, fluxes off, and this is oxygen, right?
Nah, that's air temp.
Air temp. What? Yeah, it's gonna come out.
So pretty much what we're doing was taking. Do we have to take this part off too yet, or you're not sure?
I was.
Oh yeah, so this is pretty much coming out. The whole factory air system, the gutted boxes, all this coming out, as you see from here. But I'll bring you guys back when we do some interesting things. Or I can actually go through the box while he's doing that and show you guys everything the kit come with. This, of course, is the filter that was just in there. It's Jeff's toolbox, one of them. Speaking of which, he got a toolbox for his truck. I couldn't record it because he didn't come when he got it. Damn, chrome and shit. Nice. If they got one in black, I get it, but yeah, I'm fine.
Oh, you already did it.
Huh?
You already did it.
You already did what?
Let me show you something right quick, fellas. You got your throttle body modification. What you can do is, it usually be like a little lip right here. But it looks like whoever had this truck before here shaved it off. So
Get more airflow.
You get more airflow. It ain't gonna stick too well. It looks pretty good though. We did 30 bit now. Not today, but maybe another day we're gonna take it off, clean it.
I'm trying to find him a spacer.
Yeah.
Now that increase your horsepower and your torque also. what's this bag, Jeff?
This is gonna be.
They gave it with you. Oh, for your blocking off. What's the name?
We're gonna take this box off, replace it with this cap. You're gonna hear more ill sound on the inside of the cap.
Let me stand you guys a little bit. I'm gonna let Jeff unbox it. This is Jeff project. I'm just here to help my friend.
Guys,
this the old filter I just pointed out.
This is.
He's gonna shove it up his.
Which one do you think I should do? Should I go and put this one back on since it's used, or gonna put the new one on?
Since that one's still new and that one came with the kit. Well, pretty much the same thing, really.
It's just this one's a little.
It don't got the little suction on it. I used that one since it came with the kit and it's already pre-ordered, and that was still brand new because you had that on there for about 2 weeks probably.
Yeah. So I just put the new one on.
We'll just put that one in a bag and keep it somewhere safe.
Let's see.
He got a bag of balls.
No.
His wife took his balls, so I gave him some more.
Let's not talk about the balls. You put that at the junkyard.
Speaking of which, I'm not sure if y'all remember how my shift knob looked, but I got a brand new shift knob. I got that. I got a couple extra things, but I'll do that in a separate video. That's Jaguar content, but this is truck content. What else we got here, Jeffrey?
Oh, this is the.
You can sit there on the Jaguar as long as you don't scratch my paint.
Okay.
He scratched it.
No, it's not scratched. He scratched it. This was going to use to build the box for the filter.
It's more fun having other people to record.
This is the tube that's going to connect over there to the throttle body. And here's all the little things you need.
It's like a 4-inch inlet. I see some wires in there. What else is in there?
Looks like some wires. I forget. I got to read the instructions. We'll show you.
Yeah. But now we're gonna go ahead and start setting everything all the way up. Bring you guys right back. Just unbolt the rest. The undercoat. What's that called? The underfender. take the inner from there so you can get the rest of the box out. Do it right the first time, you won't have to do it the second time. You keeping all the original? Well, we took out the air box. Right now, he's taking all the rubber gaskets off the mass airflow sensors. He's about to clean it. What kind of spray you got to clean it with, Jeffrey?
CRC.
CRC. The best of the best, unless somebody can tell us otherwise. And I'm pretty sure one of you guys can tell us otherwise.
It's a pretty small bottle, but
He's gonna show you how the can just in case somebody else wants to.
I'm trying to get paid, so what we're gonna do is Cheerios. Don't sue me.
Fuck that. Cheerios my ass. Oh, you got a double pack?
Small bottle.
I ain't know they made double packs.
Yeah. Walmart, $8.
That
So you get a big bottle for like $9 at O'Reilly's or $10 at Dollar Sign. So
Your face went in the
you get mass airflow, and throw the bottle air clean.
Now the spray ain't in there.
Alright.
So while he's going in, I'm gonna go ahead and put the box together. He's gonna go ahead and spray that down. I think you're supposed to let it sit for what? How long before we can put it back on?
I think it's about 10-15 minutes. That's in the video.
Let it air dry. Anyway,
Eventually it'll dry, so get this going.
and this came with all the shit you need to go ahead and put it together. So I bring you guys back when I put the box together. It's got all the hardware that come with the kit. Just gonna clean that. By the time this camera come back on, we should be had this box together. That should be clean, and we should be sitting here looking stupid.
Basically.
I think the batteries just died. Slow the shit. Anywho, the box is all put together. I got Jeff's tightening the last three screws down himself. I got the cap on the side, I forgot what to call this. But it's sit on top of the throttle body. I'm gonna say throttle body cover. That's what we're gonna call it. I got the cap on here to delete the vortec box. So it's no longer gonna be used at all. So Jeff doing it. I'm gonna put this clamp on here. I'm gonna tighten it down, make sure this don't go nowhere. So we'll bring you guys back after we get what we gotta do next. Put this in the truck. Yeah, we gotta tighten those two screws. It's an off-screen joke you guys can't know yet. But anywho, we're gonna finish this box up and then we'll bring you guys back when we know what we're doing, because we don't know what we're doing, but we're doing what we're doing. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna sit the box inside the focus camera. These two holes connect with, I don't know if y'all can see it, but these two holes here, that's what Jeff was doing when he was taking the inner fender out so he can reach those two holes. We're gonna drop the two screws in from here. We're gonna tighten it up from down there. So we'll bring you guys back here when we get that box in there for the Honda. Oh, that was a V6 Mustang. Jesus Christ. Okay, we ran into a little problem, but we figured it out pretty easy. The kit only came with one bolt. We were like, what the fuck's going on? Where's the other bolt? This goes in the second hole. It's a vibrating mount, I guess, to keep from rattling and whatnot. Anyhow, we gotta loosen this up and then put this bolt in here because we kind of made it goofy. But anywho, as you see, we got the box in. We're still waiting. And this install is actually going pretty quick. So we'll bring you guys back in a second. I said it a lot, but we're gonna bring you guys back in a second. I'll just change the post out. Anywho, I got the old grommet from the old little intake piece. Put it into the new piece. This is for the air intake temperature sensor. I'm gonna push it in without trying to break it. It's in, as you can see. Anywho, we're getting the battery back in place and making sure it wasn't hitting the box. All we got left to do is actually just hook these guys up, get the mass airflow sensor in. Basic stuff. This install is pretty much done. We're just gonna finish up real quick.
Then we do this shit.
What's that?
Extend the wire.
Yeah, that's what I'm finna do now. What I'm finna tell them what. We skipped a step. I'm finna go ahead and put the end connectors on these wires because we have the extended mass flow sensor all the way inside the air box. So while just finishing up putting the box together, I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Which cut, put male connectors on this side, female connectors on that side. We're gonna do the same thing with the mass airflow sensor. Alright guys, we're making good progress. I clipped the mass airflow sensors clip. I would have known. We should have grabbed the extra from the junkyard. Just yeah. Anyway, but it said from pink to pink. Okay, from yellow to yellow. We got 2 yellows and blue to blue, but
it did look black.
This is pink and this is black. That's red and that is blue. So we're gonna hope all is well. But just in case, if it fucks up and we fucked up, I don't know what the fuck Jeff just did, but we're gonna fix all this real quick. Alright, we got the wire extension all cooked up to neck. We're supposed to heat shrink this wrap, but I don't have a heat gun. I used the stove and a hairdryer a little bit, but it didn't do anything at all. Just got the air filter. Just got the air filter. I'm sorry, I keep coughing, but you can clearly see what Jeff's doing. Jeff's getting it all hooked up together. We're gonna put this pipe back on. We're gonna put this in together. We're gonna hook it up and see how it sounds, because we're really pushed for time right now, because I gotta go to work and he gotta take care of some business of his own. And yeah, so bring you guys back as soon as we're done getting this hooked up. I'm gonna do a couple of revs and let y'all hear how it sounds, and then we're gonna go from there. If you didn't know, he got 2 dual glass packs on the back of his truck. So everything, I mean everything's hooked up perfect. Mass airflow hooked up all together. Got the wires tucked. I still got a heat shrink it so don't criticize us. Our intake temperature sensor valve hooked up. The vortec piece is blocked off with a 2-inch cap. That's hooked back up. The filter's brand new. I guess the next thing we need to do is actually see if the hood closed. Yeah, that's the next step. Sorry about it. I'm swinging y'all some of every goddamn bear. Red Bull fell. This nigga here. This nigga here.
Hey, don't mind me. She got a friend. Don't like to put tools back.
You use those, mother trucker. You ready for the first start up, Jeffrey?
Good.
I was trying to do a heat shrink.
Looks good.
Leave it open.
Trying to see the clothes.
Oh. Alright, your clothes fine. Bright LED lights. Here's one. Down here. Yeah, so this is how you install a full Spectre Cold air intake on a vortec. 98 vortec.
Probably the first one out there. I don't think too many people have done it, so.
If they did, they kind of pieced it all together with some bullshit. This is the real deal.
Come over here and see where it's clear from.
And we want to shout out to Spectre for sending him this in 2 days.
Run over first. See, my idle is turned up a little bit more than it was usually. Should have got a picture of it. It's like right there about 900,000.
Where you see that? About 5?
Usually it's about like, I think like about 5, 6. You put the
guess we both in a rush right now. I would say let's do a ride along, but that'll be the next video. Not next video, but it'll be a piece of another video tagged on to another video, because we don't want to get all boring content. You might get some boring content, but all of us not gonna be boring. Yeah, since I'm off tomorrow. You off tomorrow?
Yeah, I'll be off tomorrow.
So either tomorrow we'll be playing video games, or goddamn it, doing something to cars. You never know with us. Speaking of which, I guess we're gonna see about the paint. See how that paint spray out the gun or something like that. That look brand new.
The mirror?
Yeah.
I said that earlier.
It probably is.
Yeah, they do like
this is why he loses Steelers right here, y'all. Anyway, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully Jeff's page will be up by then. And go ahead and follow Jeff's page. And we'll both see you guys next time.